Xbox is rewarding its devout gamers with a new set of in-game challenges as the company approaches its 25th anniversary. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your tech and gaming hub. The gaming company has announced that starting from April 6th, players who scan QR codes on specially marked Fanta cans and bottles will be able to unlock interactive missions and enter sweepstakes for Xbox hardware, Game Pass subscriptions, and exclusive digital content tied to some of the platform's biggest franchises. The promotion offers 3 new challenges: extract the cargo, survive the sweep, and shatter the spell, which can be accessed through the QR codes printed on limited edition packaging. Completing the activities gives players a chance to win prizes, including an Xbox Series S, 1 TV, an Xbox wireless controller, a month of Xbox Game Pass Ultimate for new subscribers, and the new Rogue Xbox Ally handheld. Even the cans and bottles are themed according to several major Xbox franchises like Halo, Call of Duty, World of Warcraft, Forza Horizon 6, and Diablo IV. Xbox said participants can also unlock in-game items in titles like a special Spartan armor set in Halo, a custom car in Forza Horizon 6, and cosmetic items in Diablo IV and World of Warcraft. So if you want something outside the screen, Xbox will transform the AMC Theater at the Grove in LA into Diablo IV themed experience from May 22nd through May 25th, where attendees can compete for additional prizes, including a trip to BlizzCon. Earlier this year, Microsoft's January lineup added games including Star Wars Outlaws and Resident Evil Village, though access varied depending on whether subscribers had Ultimate, Premium, or lower tier memberships. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.